G'day guys, we're down here at the rocks.
See if anything like comes is following.
Yeah, I will. This is the spot. Kieran, what squid jag are you putting on?
It's a light orange one, but it's got 3 barbs at the back. So when they put their tentacles over, it's just got them straight like that instead of just grabbing it and let go. Yeah, I've used this one plenty of times, caught heaps of squid on it.
Looks good. I might use the red and white one. I reckon this one first. Dial one. It's clear. It's got a good design. I've caught heaps of squid on that before. Just got this really nice squid on that blue and silver one.
Nice squid, man.
It's a really good sized squid.
Him?
Yeah.
On the right.
Kieran caught a nice little sweep. We want some tommies though, so hopefully we can get some nice tommies because Kieran spotted some.
They're all on the right.
Yeah, there's some nice ones down there. Some massive drummers.
Tommy's on them.
First gar of the day.
Yeah, nice one.
I lost one before, so it's probably been about an hour and a half now.
Yeah.
And now the sun's out and
All
they're ready to.
now.
Yeah.
They usually start feeding around 9 o'clock. Okay, we'll just get a quick measure on this guy now.
Yeah. This bloke was 24.
We'll chuck him in there with a nice squid. Cool.
Nice.
Let's get a coffee and come back. Oh, Tommy, it's on the right.
Yeah, that's why it was going underwater. Good Tommy.
You want to get that?
That's good Tommy. Yeah.
Oh, that's him. He's a nice one.
Come here. There we go. Nice Tommy.
Nice little Tommy.
Good work. Kieran's first fish.
First actually decent.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Awesome gar. This is a big one. The gar are back. That's 2 gar now. I've caught. Kieran's got to get a gar now.
Yeah, well.
Beautiful day. All the drummers have been scaring them away. But now it looks like the drummers have disappeared.
They're right down here, just below us. Look at them. Like
And
7 of them.
Heaps of gar around at the moment. They're just not biting very well. Just got another gar. Really good hookup. It was like 24 and a half. Good feed in there. Kieran just got smashed on his rod. We've just been casting it out far near the sand patch. Been catching King George, little KGs. Where'd you put it?
I put it in the esky.
Oh.
Obviously we're not keeping it because it's way
Yeah.
too short, but Declan just wanted to get a quick
Photo of him. Nice little King George. Kieran hooked up again. We're just getting smashed at the moment on the prawns and the cockle.
Who's this boy?
Another little guy.
This is King George or Sam? This is King George.
Yeah, another KG.
Man, I'm looking for that 30 though.
Yeah, we need a nice big guy to come along.
2 King George. Man, both times my rod has gone ham, but
And of course we're all throwing these guys back
yeah.
because they're all undersized.
Legal limit's 31, 32.
30. I just hooked onto another gar. It's about 3 o'clock now, so
We're gonna start packing up soonish.
Yeah. This guy.
This is our 5th guy. Like Declan accidentally lost one before.
Yeah, I lost a really good one before.
It was only because he was very like just hooked on.
Yeah. There's heaps of gar out there at the moment.
And they're actually eating.
They're eating. We're about to leave. This is a shame, but you have your good fishing days and sometimes you get your okay fishing days. But hopefully I might be able to get a couple more before we leave. Kieran just caught a huge mullet. There's been heaps of schools going through lately, but we haven't been able to catch any. But just recently they've started to bite. I'll show the size of the mullet Kieran got. Look at that. It's huge.
You actually have to hook set the mullet though. Do you realise that?